waterproof faux fur-lined ski jacket with removable hood. I was sent a review from Moerdeng and I love it. So let's take a closer look. First of all, the lining of this is just so plush and amazing. This does not go all the way down the arms, it stops here. And then the arms are this kind of lining and the pockets are this kind of lining as well, not the plush faux fur. I know it's always hard to figure out like the fit, but I got the medium, and for shirts, I usually wear a small or medium. So I thought size up rather than down, and the medium is perfect for me. I'm 5'8". It is roomy enough without being oversized. I love how long it is in the wrist too, because I am 5'8", so I have trouble with that. It's perfect, just covers the butt, the upper thigh, nicely placed pockets, so that's easy for walking with your hands in your pockets. They're not lined though. They are that kind of shiny material, and they do zipper closed. They also have this pocket with a button. That's really big. Same thing on the left, zippered pocket and a button pocket. The wrists do Velcro to be really, really snug if you need to keep out the snow or whatever. I like them nice and baggy though. Chin part comes nice and high, and it doesn't dig into your throat or anything. It's just really nice and comfortable. You can also kind of have it open. That's the look. I'll show you how to get the hood on, because this is it without the hood. The hood just zippers on here. Oh, how cute. So this one does have that plush faux fur lining on the inside and this cute contrasting rim on the outside. Get it all the way on the right side, and then the zipper feeds in. You just start it over here on the right side and it goes all the way across, but just in the back, so it doesn't come all the way to the front. So now it's on. Here it is. I love the look of the hood, honestly. This is rain and snow proof, and then this helps it be windproof as well because the zipper is covered. And then there's a snap at the top and the bottom. So the whole thing just folds over. And then the hood, these have snaps if you need to be really, really bundled up. If you want to have it open, it's like this. It kind of flops over a little bit. You can kind of fold this back if the fur is getting in your face. But if you need to protect yourself from the snow and the rain, this is gonna help. And then if you really want to get bundled up, there we are. And now I am like totally sweating because it's 70 degrees in my house and this is way too hot for in here. But yeah, it's a great winter coat. It is great for skiing, it's great for walking, for everyday life. It comes in a bunch of great colors, but I went with black because it's just so neutral. You can wear it with everything. It is durable, it is warm. I love this from Moerdeng, and I know you will too.